Welcome to Goodland Wood Co. This will be a quick video, so let's make it a quick intro. I had a big plant and a good dog. I got a second, larger dog that wasn't so well behaved. He started chewing on my plant, so I had to move the plant. The plant got sad, so I want to move it back. I need to protect the plant, and I found a rickety old weathered outdoor plant stand, and that's where we'll begin. All the pieces were fairly square and surprisingly straight. I just ran them through the planer a few times to take off that outer gray weathered layer. I was super surprised and very excited about the color and integrity of the wood underneath that outer layer. I needed to make a weird cut on the table saw. I wasn't worried so much about safety as I was just getting a uniform cut. I wasn't worried about this for the project I'm doing, but if I was doing this and needed a more precise cut, I'd probably find a different way to make this piece. I made a very simple spacer block to set between each layer to ensure uniform spacing. Little things like this spacer take a very tedious assembly step and make it much faster, easier, and a lot of fun. I thought it would look cool to double up the middle rows. Let me know what you think, but I think it turned out pretty darn cool.
Cool! We're almost there. I thought I was done, and then I realized the top looked like crap. So I cut off some more pieces and made a little inner thing. So yeah, it looks better. Well, I just had a realization of how tall my dogs actually are, and that this isn't gonna do anything. So we need to put it on some stilts. Give it a couple more inches, we should be okay.
This thing turned out pretty great. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching.